Yeah. Pocari Sweat. Pocari Sweat. And water. What's inside my pocket? Mini wipes, lip tint, hair tie, lip bar, bang. Thank you.
Dito kasi baka dito mondo. Ito sweet bro, di ba? Classmate ko. Ako ka badminton, kusot. Grabe ito sa. Pag naguro.
At the peak right now.
Ay, namin ko makita ang cross. Good jokes bang? Kaya nalala. Wala. It's going up. Okay, good display. Dito mo line. Gala sir, dito na sir. Pwede, valid.
Selective. Ayan, transcultural. Shit, guys. It's from here. And napakalamig ng tubig, guys. Pink trekking pole. Pink vest. And then phone. Hugo. Uniqlo. Crocs. And then, Hoka. Ito napakalabo ko kanina. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung malls. Grabe guys, yung dadaanan namin. May flowing water na. Tapos andun siya. Rumaragasa. Maragasa na talaga. Thank you Lord for the water. I really appreciate seeing all of this today. And to think na pangalawang napula ko na to. And today, masasabi kong successful siya. And I'm very happy with it. I'm really glad na I went with my brother today. So, thank you, brother. Grabe ang lasa ng tubig. Wait, I'll show you. Can you see the water? Ah! Hi, my doggy! Hi! Hello! Kaya yung mga dogs dito guys, they're very kind. Tapos papabayaan nyo lang yan sila. Kasi, meron yan silang ruta. And they always come back home. You don't have to worry about them. Kaya nga sabi ko, maybe today is not the right time. Uwi na kami ngayon from Napulak. And I'm really happy with what I'm seeing, with how the hike is going. So yun. I think may dadaanan pa kaming falls. Hindi ko pa alaman yung pangalan ng falls. So, mamaya pag nalaman ko, i-share ko sa inyo. Ano pa nga ba? Thanks to my brother for lending me his camera. Kasi tinatamad na siyang gamitin. Kanina may iras dito. Buti naman ngayon, wala na. No thanks. I've been warned. Because may iras dyan kanina. May iras dyan kanina. Nagbaskog do ako say. And guys, as you can see, ayun, medyo malakas na yung agos ngayong hapon compared to kaninang morning. So, doble ingat para hindi tayo mandala sa agos. Girl, kanina nga yung struggle ko is nililipad ako. Ngayon yung struggle ko naman. Inaagos ako. Told you. We're medyo may pagkaasol kahit pababa na. Apparently, tutuloy sa falls kasi nagabihan kami. And we have other prior commitments. So we can't afford to stay longer. Kasi last time, nung nag-falls din, nabot kami ng like 8 or 9-ish. It's around that time. So, ayun. May gimbal ako. Do you want to say hi now? Hi! No. Hi.